everyone, it's Adam here. We're starting this video with a hanging idle issue. So just like I'm off the throttle now and see how it's like staying up. See what I'm saying? Like it's like if I let in the clutch, the RPMs just hang, and so I had to stop and check it out. And then all of a sudden it just stopped happening, and the whole way home was oops, overgaining here. The whole way home was fine. So I have no idea what happened. I gotta check more into it, but it's never happened before on this bike, so I need to pull that throttle body and like clean it out. Maybe it was totally fine after storage. Maybe some lithium grease. I don't know. If you guys have any ideas, leave a comment. I gotta check it out. But anyway, just riding home. This is the first riding day of the year. So today was like March 5th, 2020, first riding day of the year. I don't count those kind of like warm days where I go out on the bike. I mean like actually like the start of the season. I probably shouldn't say that because I'm probably jinxing myself, but the 7-day forecast, it's kind of impressive. It's going to be lows of 27 and highs and 50s and 60s all week. So I think we're good. I think winter's over, which like it's amazing. This road here can get kind of rutted. It's a groomed road though. The state will keep it clean, but it can kind of rutted at times. So I don't want to contribute to that. So in this time of year, the mud is like it can be really soft. So I just didn't want to mess around with it and have any problems. It's my first day out on the bike, taking it easy, and so yeah, just going for a nice rubber. See out here, like a little sketchy. I mean, the big thing is there's no ice. It's weird to me the first week of March to have no ice on the road. So yeah, I think I think winter's over. I really hope that I don't jinx myself by saying that out loud. I can't get the gain right today, but is that better? There we go. March 5th, it was, clipping again. It was 44 degrees today. It's our, yesterday was 55. It's crazy. I found this like track over here. It must just be a dog, but pretty deep track. Yeah. It's great to be back on the bike. I'm sorry if I don't sound excited like I usually do. It was a great day on the bike. A couple of problems. The transmission oil is leaking on this thing from the drain plugs. I had to order a new $20 drain plug. And, of course, now there's salt all over the bike. Trying to get some of the winter gas out of here, which is why I went on a longer ride. Then my fingers got cold, so I had to go home. It was a good day, though. It was a good day. Just the hanging idle is kind of annoying. To me at least, but other than that, no, this is great. So I'm gonna leave you guys with the rest of this clip here. Thanks for watching. Happy 2020, officially start of riding season. Woot woot.